What's up guys, my name is Alex. Welcome back to a brand new video and I'm super excited to bring this video for you guys today. So in this video I'm gonna give you guys 3 tips you guys can use in order to make money without being a partner, without having the partnership, without 1,000 subscribers, without 4,000 hours of watch time. So I would say I'm really excited to bring this video. If you guys are new here for the first time, make sure to consider subscribing because we have many awesome videos coming up soon, so consider subscribing. So with that being said, let's move on to step number 1. Okay guys, so the first step is basically affiliate marketing. Now for the people who don't know what affiliate marketing is, it is basically you are having a link, for example, to Amazon of, for example, a camera that you're reviewing. If people are watching that review and they say, this camera is actually pretty good, I want to buy it. If they go to the link in the description, if you put your affiliate link down there, if people click on that link and buy that camera because of your link, you'll receive a commission for that. And for Amazon, it's basically, I think, maybe like 8% of the amount people are buying things for. So that's a really awesome and handy tip as well. And how it basically works is it is not really that complicated. You want to go to the Amazon website and it's probably tucked away somewhere at the bottom of the page, like, you know, affiliate program. You can sign up for free just for an account and then they can just basically Is this some kind of joke? Dude, I'm recording.
Five minutes later.
Okay guys, so the bells of the church stopped so we can finally continue the video. Okay, so where was I? Affiliate marketing is basically, like I've mentioned, a program you can sign up for free. It's on Amazon, it's on eBay, and you can just go ahead and look on their website and you can sign up for free. And like I've mentioned, if people are actually looking for a camera that you're reviewing or basically anything, if they click on the link and if they buy the camera, you will get a commission. And that's a really awesome thing. And even though if you are basically making people click on your link if they don't buy the camera, but if they, for example, buy $1,000 plasma TV, you will still get a commission from that no matter what they buy. You have to make people click on that link. So that's basically the whole affiliate marketing thing, guys. So you can basically just go ahead and make videos, and I'm not saying that you should only do reviews in order to generate money. You can do it for anything. If, for example, if you're playing a game, for example Fortnite, and if Fortnite is available on Amazon, you can just go ahead and make a link in the description, like, guys, if you want to pick up Fortnite, make sure to click on the link in the description. Don't say it's an affiliate link, but just go ahead and say, if you guys want to pick up this game, you can just go ahead and look up Fortnite on Amazon, get your affiliate link, put it down in the description, and it works the same for eBay. And if people buy it, you will receive a commission. So that's amazing. It is. That's one way how you can actually make money without partnership. So let's move on to step number 2. Okay guys, so the second step that you can try out on your channel is basically live streaming. Now, I want to mention that you don't need a partnership in order to live stream. You don't need partnership for custom thumbnails, for live streaming. So what you can do is you can basically live stream and you can set up a donation goal. It's really simple. I do it as well on my channel. And what you can do is you can go to, for example, to Streamlabs. That's a really awesome website in order to track your donations. You can use PayPal and you can generate some money that way. Now, I'm not saying in any way that you should ask for donations. That's not what I do in my live streams. I just mention, like, guys, if you feel like you want to support the stream and support what I do, make sure to check out the donation link in the description. It's always open and it's optional and it's free for people to decide whether they want to donate or not. And I can already hear you guys like, Alex, can we also use super chat? You know, the little $ below the chat. Well, in order to be eligible for the super chat option or feature, you need to enable monetization and you need partnership for that. So the only way is basically just use a donation link in the description, or you can just go ahead and set up a donation goal like I have as well. And that's basically another way you can generate some money without having a partnership. That's a really awesome way in order to generate some extra money. And let's move on to step number 3. So the last way of generating money on YouTube is doing brand deals. Now, I'm not saying that you should, if you have a channel with 100 subscribers, 500 subscribers, or even 50 subscribers, I'm not saying that you should mail all the big companies that are investing in only huge channels. That's not what I'm saying at all, because on one side, you would just want to wait until companies are contacting you, for example, like I do. Many brand deals I've done in the past on my channel, companies came to me. I did not send them emails, so it's really a matter of be patient and wait until the companies start to roll in. Or what you can do is you can actually contact the companies itself. So I'm not saying in any way that you should go ahead and email a company that you found when you're just googling for 5 minutes and ask $1,000 for a video. That's not what happens. So they want to basically just go ahead and estimate the amount of subscribers you have will make a huge difference. If you have 50 subscribers, you can have a campaign of for example maybe $20, $30, even $50. But if you have like a medium-sized YouTube channel like mine, for example, of 180,000 subscribers, you can go ahead and ask $500 or $1,000 for a campaign. So that's an extra way you can actually make money, guys. Is not go ahead and mail huge companies and say I have 50 subscribers, I have maybe like 20 to 25 views each video, because there's not enough people that are going to be able to check out the company, and the company also wants to make sure that they will earn back the money they have paid you. So if a company is paying me $1,000, I want that company to make more than $1,000 from my promotion. So that's basically an awesome way in order to make money, guys. I hope this video was helpful to you, and if this light is too distracting, I can just go ahead and put it on just white. You guys can see if that's a little bit better. So let me know what you want to see in terms of lighting. That's just an off-topic question, for example, because I can already assume that lighting may be a little bit distracting if it's changing colors the entire time. So what do you guys like the most? Do you guys like red more? Do you guys like green more? Do you guys like blue more? Let me know in the comments. I'm gonna put this on white for now. So guys, I want to thank you guys for watching. Thank you for the continued support. I'll catch you guys tomorrow in a brand new video. I'm not really sure what the video will be tomorrow, or if I'm gonna upload it at all, because I have a lot of appointments tomorrow and I have a lot of work to do for clients. So guys, thank you for watching. Thank you for sticking around. I want you to know that no matter how big you are, no matter how small you are, make sure to just keep grinding, keep doing it, and you will eventually make it like I did. And I did almost 6 years at this point to get where I am right now. So guys, make sure to stay tuned for more videos, stay motivated, and I will catch you guys obviously in a brand new video on this channel this week. So I'll catch you guys in the next video.